These battle plan trades, just because it's happened once, that doesn't really end. These are more macro type of trades, in my humble opinion. So the goal was bounce to here, to come to here, then see what happens. If you had multiple contracts, absolute perfect trade location to take something off at the smiling robot. But if you had multiple contracts, like we said, right there is a place you take something off. You move your lotto runner here and you are done for the day. All you have to do is do nothing. Stay out of the way. Don't short this. We're now back inside of yesterday's range. Maybe also if we get under the opening, that might be an interesting short to come back and try this level again. But you can see this strong level has been magic. Now we come back through the opening. I will probably be aggressive short from here and see what happens. But this is the better place. If you're looking for a short, we need to get under here. This is what you're looking for if you're long. You want that, that, and that. As we said, if you were long off the battle plan here, you want to take something off at this RTH low, something off. Now have a financed runner back here in the negative position, so you could survive another tap against this level, and you are done for the day. But I'm not going to chase long or short here. No, thank you. The trade was to be long off this line. Now I got to wait. Take out that opening. I think we're for sure coming here. If not, extending that a little further and coming all the way down into here, sort of thing. Capture a small piece of it. And whatever. It matters not. So as we said, if you took the battle plan long, take something off at the RTH lows. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, target hit. And I said, if we take out that opening, we're most certainly coming here. Something like that. I don't know. It doesn't matter. I don't want to speak in concrete terms because we really don't know. All we can do is follow price and try to stay in a trade. Do I want to take the first counter move to a trend line push? Typically not, but it is a strong level. So if it came back in, you wanted to take this long, I think it's early, but you could, and your out is under the filling of the fair value gap because we want that to stay open. If you're in this trade, you are singing really good. Because it's Friday here, I would probably lock my 10-pointer. And if it gets above the opening, glory to you. Bears can only take back half of the London session. All right, let's see what's going to happen off the opening again. Now, I love this first attack. Pull back. The bulls prove they defended price. Now, if it pops this, there's your long off the opening. So we outlined this long, take stuff off here, move your stop to -10. Now let's have that discussion for a second. If you took that trade and you moved your stop to -10, you're still long. You're still long from the battle plan trade, okay? If you took the short here like I did, it got muddy, it was small, nothing. Early adopter long here, we talked about taking something off at 10 points if it came back in, and it did. Because of this defense, we said if we get back up over the opening and it comes back, take a long. It missed me by 1 tick. It actually touched my price with the goal of it coming all the way to here, especially this battle plan long. That long there that we said was early adopter with a 2-point stop loss. This long here missed me by a tick. And if you did this trade with multiple contracts, peeled, runner, you're still long. Certainly a good day. Now, if this is your second trade, you've already locked in 10. Let's say you got into this trade. You locked that 10 as we talked about. You got into this trade. Who knows, you might just keep your stop at break even here and say, you know, I'm going to give it every chance to break into range and at least get to the halfback. That could be a great TP here at the halfback. If we get above this strong level here, you get a nice move here. That is your add-on if you took this long, or if you took the battle plan long here, that's your add-on. All right, so this is real-time George looking at what actually happened. And yep, if you got up here and it retouched this, there is your add-on. So I hope you had a great day trading. We will be back live on Monday.